Hello dear students, here is an information for you. This is about worksheets for secondary stage level 1 and level 2 released by the government of Telangana. Now let us go to SCRT site. This is SCRT Telangana site. Here the textbooks are available, PDF form of textbooks are available. The name of the website is scert.telangana.gov.in. scert.telangana.gov.in. In this portal, you will get all the material required for your study. The PDF form of textbooks are available, and the government is also uploading worksheets. I think they may upload worksheets every month. Now let us see where we can download those worksheets. So here we have publications menu. Go to publications menu. Under publications menu, you have our books. Under our books, the syllabus is also given. First one is the syllabus. You can see syllabus here. The second one is e-textbooks. Here you can get PDF form of all the textbooks from class 1 to class 10 for various mediums. Telugu medium, Hindi medium, English medium. And here we have worksheets 2020-21. Let us see the worksheets here. Here we have worksheets. The worksheets consists of level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is readiness program based on preceding class. For 10th class, level 1 corresponds to 9th class. Level 2 is for current year syllabus. Now let us go inside and see. Message of Chief Minister and Education Minister are given. Message from secretaries are also given. So here we have index. Now let us go to secondary classes here. Class 3 and class 4. Class 5 and class 6 here. Class 7, class 8. Class 9 and class 10 we have here. So here we can see this is for Telugu medium. This is for Telugu medium. Here we have links for English medium. Here links for Urdu medium. So here let us go to English medium books. Worksheets for secondary stage level 1 and level 2. This has 90 pages including the cover page. 10th class mathematics English medium. Mathematics worksheets for class 10th level 1. Level 1 is readiness program. Students of 10th class are prepared to study 10th class. That means some concepts of 9th class are first taught to 10th class students, and later, so in September month, government schools started functioning. In September month, chapter 1 real numbers and chapter 2 sets. These two chapters will be covered in September month. For real numbers, we have some information in class 9th also, but we are starting sets freshly in 10th class, so we don't have any information in class 9th. So we have readiness program for real numbers, chapter 1. Let us see below. The index of level 1 is given here. In level 1 readiness program, this is class 9th basics. In each month, some chapters will be covered. For the covered chapters, if there is some information in class 9th, that will be covered in level 1. So in September month, they are going to cover real numbers and sets. For only real numbers, we have some basic information in 9th class. So 9th class level 1 program is only for real numbers. In real numbers chapter, we will see topics on LCM and HCF and prime and composite numbers, even and odd numbers. You don't have any level 1 chapters in sets. This is index for level 2. In level 2, you have two chapters, real number and sets. This is for the month of September. Under real numbers, you will cover division algorithm, Euclid's algorithm, unique prime factorization theorem, terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals, irrational numbers, and logarithms. Under chapter sets, you will cover different forms of a set, Venn diagrams, basic operations on set, and equal sets, cardinality of sets. Let us see this level 1 readiness program. So level 1 worksheet 1. So here the concepts are explained again. Various concepts are explained. After that, a worksheet is given to test your knowledge. To test your knowledge, a worksheet is given here. Let us go to level 2. So here we have level 2. This is for this academic year. Chapter 1 real numbers, chapter 2 sets. This is worksheet number 1. Various topics in real numbers are discussed here. Some example problems are solved. Later worksheet is given. Then another topic, Euclid divisions algorithm. This is worksheet number 2. It is supposed that one worksheet may be completed in 1 week. Totally 4 to 5 worksheets can be completed in 1 month. I think they will release another worksheet in October month. Here in this portal, the link of NCERT portal is also given. If you want to download NCERT books, you can go to this NCERT portal. This is NCERT portal. So here go to this menu, publications. Under publications, you can go to this PDF 1 to 12th class. Here select the class, 10th class. You can select a subject here. I'm selecting mathematics. Select the book title. For English medium, the book title is mathematics. For Hindi, it is Ganit. For Urdu, it is Riyazi. So for English medium, I'm selecting mathematics here. So this is the cover page of the textbook, mathematics textbook for class 10th, NCERT book. Here we can download the chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, whichever chapter we want we can download here, and from here complete book can be downloaded. Okay, you can make use of these portals in your studies. Thank you. See you in next video.